Are you tired of using video editing softwares where your videos turn out like this or this? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you the top 5 best free video editing softwares that you can start using to create amazing videos. Let's get into it. Alright, so all the software that I'm about to show you is indeed available on Windows and Mac. There are no watermarks, and all of them are easy to use for beginners and advanced editors as well. Alright, so video editor number 1 is DaVinci Resolve 16. Now DaVinci Resolve is available on Windows, Mac, and Linux as well. This is a great video editor to get started with. It's beginner friendly and it has all the features you'll need in order to make a good looking video. With this video editor, you can trim videos, you can combine videos, you can export in 4K, you can add music. Like I said, you can basically do anything you want and everything you need in order to make the video you want to make. They also have a couple of advanced features such as frame rate editing, and they can export in up to 4K. Now that's something that not every single video editor will have, but this one will allow you to export videos in up to 4K, which is awesome. There are a couple of great free courses available on DaVinci Resolve editing. So what I recommend doing is searching for DaVinci Resolve editing course on YouTube, and you'll find all of these great courses. And with these, you can learn how to edit with this specific software. You can download DaVinci Resolve for free by going to their website, and you can make everything you want to make on this video editing software. It's free, there's no watermark, and you can do anything you want. Video editing software number 2 is Filmora. Well, Filmora is quite similar to DaVinci Resolve, although it's even easier to use. So if you're a beginner, I highly recommend using Filmora. So once again, Filmora is available on Windows and Mac, and you can download it for free. You can trim your videos, you can add music, you can export audio only, you can add transitions, you can add effects, you can use green screen videos, you can basically do everything you need, and they have all the basic features available in the free software. What I like about Filmora is that it's easy to use, it's a basic layout, so even though you don't have any experience, it will be easy to use. You can export in HD, there's no watermark, and overall it's just a great software to get started with. So if you're a beginner that just wants to start learning video editing, then this is a great software you can use. Number 3 is Kapooring or Kapooring. I'm not sure how you pronounce that, so don't blame me for that. Anyway, Kapooring is a web-based video editing software without any watermark. This is one of the only web-based video editors that doesn't have a watermark. So basically what that means is that you don't have to install a program onto your PC, but you can just go to the website and you can start editing your video. So this is what that looks like. And once again, they will have all the basic features available, such as trimming videos, adding music, adding transitions, adding effects. You can zoom in, you can combine clips. All of that is available. The only downside is that you can only export videos up to 10 minutes. So if you don't make videos longer than 10 minutes, that shouldn't be a problem, and I highly recommend using this video editing software. If you're making videos above 10 minutes, then the next one will be great for you. On number 4, we've got Shotcut. This video editing software is available on Windows, Mac, and Linux as well. What I like about this one is that it's totally free and there's no upgrade. So once you get used to this program, you don't have to go ahead and purchase an upgrade to get other more advanced features, but all features are available in the free software. So just like with all the other softwares, you can add videos, you can trim them, you can zoom in, you can add transitions, you can add music, you can do anything you want to, you can literally do everything you need to in order to make a great video. What I also like is that they have basic layouts, so once again, if you're a complete beginner, it's easy to use and you can easily find all the tools you need. This software also gives you access to a lot of audio editing, which means that if there's a lot of background noise, you can easily remove that. So this is great if you're filming videos outside, or maybe you're a vlogger. This would be the perfect video editing software for you. On to the final video editing software. On number 5, we've got HitFilm Express. Once again, it's available on Windows and Mac, and this is a great video editing software. if you've been wanting to make YouTube videos. The reason I say that is because there's a basic layout, so it's easy to use for beginners. You can export in up to 4K and there's no time limit. So you can render 20-minute videos in 4K, which is awesome. That's something that not every video editor will do. For this, you don't need any technical skills. It's very easy to use, so it's perfect for beginners. So if you've just started your YouTube channel, you've been wanting to make YouTube videos and do some great editing, then this is a software that I recommend using. And that's it for the top 5 best editing software. So if you appreciate this video, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video. That would help me out so that I can keep making these videos. Let me know in the comments down below which software you're going to use, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day.